So you might be in a situation where for some reason visual intelligence is just not working. Now what is visual intelligence? Well, it's a new feature within our iPhone 16s where when you hold down the camera button on the side, it will actually invoke your camera, your visual intelligence camera, and you can use it to scan things and whatever. Now, the first thing to remember is that you have to be on iOS 18.2 in order to use this feature. As of me filming this video, iOS 18.2 is only available in terms of a beta. So if you're watching this 3 months from now, then it's probably officially out. So you don't have to really worry about it that much. It's just for the first month or two me filming this video. If you have iOS 18.2, then you're good to go. So update to this version of software. Now you also want to make sure Apple Intelligence is enabled. So go through, click on Apple Intelligence right here, and you want to make sure Apple Intelligence is enabled. So go through, just enable it right there, and then you're pretty much almost good to go. So the next thing you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and flip your phone to the side right here. So you want to go and flip your phone to the side, and all you're going to want to do is you are going to hold down this camera button right here. So when you hold down this camera button, you should be able to go through and invoke visual intelligence. Now, if you're holding down this button and it's not working, you may want to have to just go through and double check your camera button and seeing what it's assigned to. So what you can do is you can go through and click on camera right here. So go inside of your iPhone settings, click on camera control, and you may just want to go and make sure that launch camera and everything like that is situated on. You might want to go and just keep these things enabled. So just make sure single click or double click is enabled. Now you can also try going through and trying it again. So hold down that camera button one more time, see if that ends up fixing it. Now if visual intelligence opens but it's not scanning anything, you may want to wipe down the lens, you may want to rescan that image. This tool is still being worked on, it's still a very, very new tool. So there's not really too many things we can do, but the best thing to do is basically just go through, try seeing if you can go through and just take a picture of that thing again. But those are kind of the main ways to go and fix that problem as of this point. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.